Pro. This comes with a cable, charging cable, connection cable, extra propellers, and a screw that comes along it. And voila! Osmo Action 5 Pro, the reason why I got this is because I needed a frontal camera without too much of a wide angle perspective, and I needed something for a little bit more for action purposes. Yeah, it's pretty small. My palm, and it's like smaller than my palm. Definitely feels quite heavy. Let me see if it's plastic or metal. This is quite heavy. A battery case. Nice bag. At the back, oof, wow, it's quite heavy. So you can manage this through the back of your clothes. Just put it in, and then you'll be hanging on your clothes, and you can do the conversation with it. Okay, lock it in, mount it up. This is the Telefin action camera filter. So basically, for the Action 5 Pro, I got it. It blocks away the brightness of it. Come, let's try one. Yeah, so there's a rubber protection on the outside, and it clips it perfectly. So it creates a filter to block off the sunlight, gives you a much more neutral color when filming your video.